All government offices, except those providing essential services and banks, markets and shops would remain closed during weekends, Friday 10 p.m. to Monday 5 a.m. across Gautam Buddha Nagar, officials said on Tuesday. District Magistrate Suhas L.Y. said new guidelines have been issued by the Uttar Pradesh government with respect to weekend restrictions and they will be applicable in Gautam Buddha Nagar henceforth, according to an official statement. During the period, special drives would be carried out at the district level for sanitation, water supply and door-to-door surveillance by local health department teams to check the spread of COVID-19 and other vector-borne diseases. According to the order issued by the Up-Home Department, all shops, grain markets and commercial establishments will remain closed during the weekend but can function on weekdays from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. All markets which stay closed on a particular day of the week shall now stay closed on either Saturday or Sunday, while special markets which are set up on weekends can now be set on any of the weekdays instead, the order stated. All fruit and vegetable markets will remain open during the period. All places of worship can stay open during the period of restriction but will have to ensure social distancing and other health-related guidelines, it added. All factories and companies, including IT firms and IT-enabled services, can operate. During the period, essential services including healthcare shall remain functional like before and people involved in them, corona warriors, sanitation workers and doorstep delivery executives, will be prohibited from any restrictions on their movement, the order stated. Railways and states road transport services will continue, so will airline services, it said. There will be no restriction on people traveling to or returning from airports or railway stations, and required bus services to these places would be ensured by the Upstate Road Transport Corporation, UPSUNC, according to the order. There will be no restriction on goods carriers across the state during the period. National highways and state highways shall remain functional and fuel stations, as well as dhabas along the highways, will also remain open, it said. It said the movement of officials involved in the special sanitation and COVID screening drives will not be prohibited and their identity cards will work as their pass. The state government has directed officers at district level to ensure compliance of the order and instructed police officers and magistrates to be on ground during the weekends for monitoring work.